How to order replacement Cash App card. In this video, I will show you how to order a replacement Cash App card. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just as you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app as you can see here. From there, proceed and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account as you can see from here. After that, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. As you can see here, there are options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From the options, tap on this one here named Support. This is the support page of Cash App where you can find solutions to the issues you face in the app. As you can see here, there are many categories that you can choose from to find help. Scroll through them and look for one named Cash App Card. Here it is. So go ahead and tap on it just like you can see me doing here. After tapping on it, you will get these different sections here that point out to a specific issue you may be facing while using the app. From them, tap this one here named Issues with the Card. After that, you will land on this other page as you can see here. There are several different issues related to the credit card that you can solve here. So make sure you look for the reason you want to replace your card from the list of reasons here. I will choose this option here. As you can see, Cash App is telling us that once your Cash App card has been reported as lost or stolen, we immediately disable the card to protect your account, so you won't be able to activate that card or continue to use it, even if it's been found. To order a new Cash App card if yours is lost or stolen: 1. Go to the Card tab on your Cash App home screen. 2. Select Get Card Support. 3. Select Report Your Card. 4. Choose Card Stolen/Compromised or Card Missing. 5. Follow the prompts. Make sure you follow all these steps, and after that, you will be able to order a replacement for the card. I hope this video has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to order a replacement Cash App card.